official look of the Jordan Spizike Low Black, Gamma Blue and Wolf Gray have surfaced, fueling buzz for its fall 2025 release. Priced at $170, it's expected to drop by November via Nike.com. Jordan. Though the Spizike Low is a relatively recent silhouette, this colorway draws deeply from classic Jordan heritage. The Gamma Blue hue, originally made famous by the 2013 Air Jordan 11, makes a strong return across several features, like the outsole, tongue, and heel spine. Elephant print accents from the Air Jordan 3 add familiar flair to the black mixed material upper, blending retro elements with a modern edge. With the Air Jordan 11 Gamma also returning this holiday season, this Spizike Low builds on that legacy while offering a fresh take. The color blocking and design aim to appeal to longtime collectors and new fans alike. Its nostalgic connection and vibrant execution could make this a standout among upcoming Jordan releases.